Everyone, and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, it is trading at a level of $2030.64. Okay, and from 3 days there is a continuous upside we have seen in the price of gold. Okay, if you previously see, what you can see, there is a continuous upside. Okay, and this upside is quite volatile also. If you look at this particular day, that means around, you can see from the 5th day, you will see that the price of gold has made a half around $2.146.65. After that we have seen a fall is also come. Okay, a level of around 2019 we have seen, and the same particular day a high also. That means a good volatility we have seen on that particular day. Okay, now if you look at closely, there is a pattern also forming. Chances can be high that if the price started falling below a level of $2008, we can see a further downfall movement for the price of gold. But if started sustaining above this level, that means it is above this particular level now also, and probability is higher that yes, it can go further upside, and yes, chances of going towards 2051 will be there, and yes, a probability of crossing a level of 2079 is also there. Okay, and there is a higher chances that we can see it will go further upside. Now if you look at this particular trend, what you can see, looking at this particular trend from 3 days, there is a continuous upside. Overall trend is upside. Two things are supporting this. Okay, and as soon as it started going above a level of 2046, we will see a further upside movement for the price of gold. Okay, now before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can go in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. See, look at this particular chart. U pattern is forming here, similar pattern is forming, and similar 3 patterns has formed. Okay, in just 3 years. Otherwise, if you look at this previous pattern, this is from 2012 to 2020, 8-year pattern was there. Similar patterns are forming now also. I am keep repeating this in my most of the videos. Now let's go on a weekly chart. You will understand clearly how it is moving. Okay, now if you look at this clear chart, what you have seen for this particular week, there is a continuous downfall. Okay, because there is a high also made a level of around $2149, and a low of also made at a level of around $2010. Okay, now what we can see, looking at this particular chart for the next week, suppose if the price sustain this level, and chances are high, yes, if it keeps sustaining a level of 2030, a further upside movement we can see. Suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see a probability of crossing a level of 2048 is there. Okay, this 2048 level is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high it will go further upside, and yes, a probability of going towards 2071 is there. Okay, and chances are very high if the price keeps sustaining above 2071, yes, a probability of crossing this particular level we can see, and then it will go above a level of $2083. Okay, which is also being tested, so chances are high a probability of touching its all-time high will be there. Okay, again I repeat, you have to understand this overall trend is upside if we go on a day wise chart also, and we go on a weekly chart also. But for this week we have seen it as the gold has already made around $2149 and a low of around $2010, and chances are high, yes, it will go further upside, and it will cross a level of 2048 if the price keeps sustaining, and from there it will cross a level of 2071, and once started sustaining that level, a probability of crossing a level of 2081 will be there. Okay, and once the price started moving up that particular level, we will see it will go towards a level of $2145. Okay, this $2145 is a high which is already made, so chances can be high that if the price move above a level of 2081, it can touch a level of $2145. Okay, and if it started sustaining above that level, a further upside movement we can see. See, S&P 500 we have seen it has moved above a level of 4500 already. This year we have seen a 18% upside movement. Okay, now there is a higher chances that it can go further ahead. Okay, now look at this particular trend. See, whatever news and data is coming, it will affect on this chart, so you have to looking at this particular chart. So you always try to set your SL, because see, market is uncertain. Some of the news can affect positively, some of the news or data can affect negatively. So if you are setting your SL and if you are trailing your SL, these two things are very important. It will save your profit also and capital also. So suppose if the price didn't sustain, chances are high, suppose if the price didn't sustain, we can see it will go further down, and yes, a probability of going towards $2021.92. okay, and if the price started moving below that particular level, chances are very high that if the price started moving below that particular zone, we will see it will go further fall, and a probability of going towards 1989 is there. okay, and if started moving below that particular level, a further fall we can see towards a level of around $1984. Again I repeat, suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, chances are very high it will move further down towards a level of $2024. okay, and if started moving below that particular level, chances of going towards a level of around $2011. okay, now once the price started moving below that particular zone, chances of touching a level of 2007 will be there. okay, and started falling below 2007, a further fall we can see, and yes, a probability of going towards a level of around 1997 is there. okay, and once the price started moving below that particular zone, chances are very high that if the price started moving below that particular zone, we will see it will go further down, and a probability of going towards a level of around $1989. okay, and if the price started moving below this particular zone, we will see it will fall further down, and a probability of going towards $1982. okay, so keep that in mind that if the price started moving below $1982, a further downfall we can see, and then it can go towards a level of around 1969, and a probability of going towards after 1969 a further downfall towards a level of 1958 we can see. okay, so once the price started falling below 1958, a further downfall we can see, and a probability of touching a level of 1953. There is a clear pattern forming, opposite U pattern is forming, so chances are high if the price started falling below $2010, a further downfall we can see towards $1989 to a level of 1953, and if started falling below that level, we can see a level of 1933. And once the price started falling below 1933, chances are very high that it will go further fall, and a probability of going towards 1907 we can see, and there is a clear pattern forming, so we can see it will fall further down towards a level of around 1889 and then further fall. okay, any doubt regarding this you can mail me. Understand, as soon as the price started falling $1909, a further downfall we can see, yes, and yes, there is a higher chances that it can fall further low, because there is a pattern forming, and a probability of touching a level of around 1909 will be there if the price started moving below a level of $1933. okay, and if the price started moving below a level of $2008, a further fall we can see. okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.